Today I'm going to show you a new product. We call it IP Wall Controller. It can be well applied in CCTV surveillance solutions. And there are some features like support numerous or no limitations of on-wheel camera signals input and RTSP signals like PC signals input at the same time. Also, it supports any kind of brands of cameras like Vision, Dahua, or any other brands of cameras that support on-wheel protocol. Also, it supports H.265 and 4K decoding and display. So let's see what the details of it. Now let's see closely to the device. You see the device in my hand. There are two HDMI outputs for connecting to the monitor. Also, there are net ports for connecting to the network. And as for the special port is the USB port. We can use this port to connect to the mouse and the keyboard. Also, the USB disk. We can use mouse keyboard to configure the system, and also we can plug the USB and download the video from the controller, or we can upload the video into the controller to display on the monitor. And there are two structures. One is the small structures. It's this one. It's very easy to carry and install. For example, you can install it at behind of the monitor, so you can apply to them in some small situation like supermarket or stores. It's very applicable. And for the big structure, it supports 8 cards totally. So you will see that one device supports 16 HDMI output. So it is usually applied in big projects like city security surveillance, or some places like airport or prison that need center control room. Okay, now let's see how these two things work. Now let's see how to configure the system. Usually we will use PC software to control and configure the wall controller. And this is very special. It has 2 USB ports. So we can use mouse and the keyboard to plug in the wall controller directly. So now I will show you how to configure the system by these two things. After the plugin, we will show you how to configure. We will use mouse to call out the matrix configure and log in the system. In this panel, we will choose cameras and add on-wheel cameras. We can search out all cameras that support on-wheel protocol. Then we add them to the camera list. Also, we can choose RTSP tab to add the RTSP signals. Then we can add them totally into the camera list. After the configuration of the system, I'm going to show you how to make this wall controller work. There are mainly 3 methods. First, we can use the keyboard, or we can use the software client, or we can use the app. So let's see the software. First, we add the window onto the wall. Then we drag the cameras or PC. The operation is very simple. And also we can split the window into several screens. For example, we can split into 4 or 9 or 16 screens. Then we drag the camera on each screen. And also, we can splice the windows together into one screen. For example, we can drag a square on 4 windows. Then we will see. And that's the function of the software. Also, these functions can be realized by the keyboard. For example, I can switch camera 3 on window 1. You will see that the camera 3 is showing on window 1. So these functions can be realized by the app also. Switch to V5 camera. Also, there are plan switch that you can set some presets before, and then you can switch by one key. Plan 3, Plan 4, Plan 5, and 6. It's very convenient and easy to operate. So this is the main operation of the controller. After the demonstration of this product, you will see how big difference they can make. And you will see that this controller can be well applied in many kinds of situations, from small situation like supermarket, market or stores, to big situation like city surveillance solutions. So if you have any questions or interest, please contact us as the below contact. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.